Sunwood. This is in a gated community. It's a floor plan that's been very successful for our group. We have a screen door, which Jenny, the property manager, really likes because tenants are able to enjoy fresh air but still have security. So we've tiled up the entry. Carpet looks good. We need some 2.5-inch forward blinds there. The walls are in fine condition. Upgraded light fixture. Possibly remove that satellite dish and patch it up. Oh, lots of extra shelving in here. We have a stainless stove, black dishwasher, white washer. That's a very large water heater. It's a mounted can opener. Jenny sometimes recommends putting the space-saving microwaves above the stove. That might be recommended to be removed. The railing is painted nicely. Big fan. Those are vinyl. Probably want to change those to faux wood. Paint condition is fine. It's the same flooring that was in the kitchen. Slightly discolored or mismatching toilet seat. Condition of everything is great. Replace those light bulbs with normal light bulbs that are not the curly Q ones.